I'm going to be installing a K-Box backup camera and mirror monitoring kit from Amazon, and I'm going to open this box up and show you what's inside. Okay, everything's out of the box except for the well, it's not even install instructions, so it's a good thing I'm doing this video. We got this the mirror is packaged really well. It's in a nice bubble wrap container. And you have all the accessories here to the wiring, and if you want to put this backup alarm on it, and you got your camera and all your hookups to get it going. So we're going to slowly start installing this on my 2001 Ford F-150. It looks like the way this is designed is to clip over the front of your existing mirror, and so we'll do that real quick, and I'm probably going to use both hands. Might want to mention this thing has some these things slide up and down, so it's good to know before you start out. Okay, it looks like it has a pretty decent grip on it. Have to get everything set. That's the way it looks from the back. It just kind of clips on it, and it doesn't pull off very easily, so this is good. So they do have a wire hanging off of the back of the mirror, so we will be trying to tuck it up under the top here, which it looks like there might be some room for it, and then we're going to just trail it on around and see if we can't get that to stay. Okay, so what I've done so far is I've taken the cable that goes to the rear view mirror and have attached the red wire. I've separated the red and black cable, and I've attached the two red wires together, and this will be plugging into the rear view mirror as well. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the side that plugs into the video camera, I should say license plate camera, and it's going to plug into the yellow cable here, and then this red wire is going to plug into the red wire that plugs into here, and of course it's also going to get power from the reverse light. So I'll show this step by step as we continue on. Okay, I've connected the cables up to go to the rear view camera, and I'm going to start routing this cable up through the top here and down through the post, and I'll find a pathway to the underneath the truck. Okay, what we're going to do is this is going to go in that slot right there. This is the ground wire for the rear view camera. Of course, this is going to go over it, and the bolt's going to go through it, and we're going to fasten it down. But I need both hands. Okay, I'm making a pathway to where this cable here can go down through here. Of course, you have to remove that plastic; it just pops off. Mine was kind of stubborn, but it does pop off. And I found a hole right behind here that you can go down through the floor. Okay, this is a plug. It goes right through the floor. What I'm probably going to do is cut a little slot in this so the wire can go through it, and then put this plug back up, because I don't want water coming back in my cab. Okay, that's the way I plan on putting it in there. I'll put a little bit of silicone around that once I'm done, just to keep it from letting moisture come in. So I'm going to plug it back in the hole. The cable coming out of the floor of the pickup And then I'm just going to trail it along the frame all the way to the back until I get to where the camera is going to mount near the license plate. I'm going to route the cable towards the back. I've fastened these little fasteners that will hold the cable in place as we trail down to the back of the truck. Okay, so what I've done is I've gotten the cable in place, and I've also plugged in the pigtail from the camera from the license plate, and once again I have attached this red wire coming out of this yellow video wire. I've attached it back into the socket that goes into the camera, and also I tapped in another hot wire, and this one is going to go straight to the backup light, and I gotta test out with my tester and find out which one of these wires is the reverse light, which one's the hot. I've also taken the ground wire, this one right here, and it is grounded to the frame. Okay, so the only thing passing through the yellow audio cable is also your 12 volt power that goes from your camera. It joins in with the backup light power, and then it goes to the front and supplies power to your mirror. Attach the bracket. It's basically just 2 screws going through the frame here, and the little bracket that comes up on the side, and you bolt the camera to it. And there's not a lot of adjustment to it because you can see underneath the screws are kind of hitting the camera, so if I've got to go up, I won't be able to. And on this pickup, there wasn't much place to put it. I could have mounted it to the license plate, but I don't think law enforcement would appreciate that. Yeah, everything hooked up. There's where my camera is. I went ahead and pulled my light off. It's just 2 bolts on this side once you pull your tailgate down. And I tapped into the purple and black striped wire. And so, give you illustration. Reverse. And there's the camera. Got a little bit of reflection in here, but you can actually see it. Another interesting feature is when you start moving, it'll actually tell you. It says stop. Stop on it. It also shows like 6.5 meters when you start getting close, and it starts measuring that you're getting really close to another vehicle behind you. Okay, that's my video on the install on this. I appreciate you guys watching.